Now we are going to start stage 4, electromechanical devices. There are two devices, punch card machine, which is also known as tabulating machine, and Howard Mark I, or which is simply known as Mark I also. Now let us read in detail. Punch cards, or which are also known as tabulating machine. Here are the pictures of punch cards, and the first picture is of punch cards and the second picture is of punch card machine which read the punch cards. A punch card or a punched card or punch card is a piece of stiff paper that can be used to contain digital data represented by the presence or absence of holes in predefined positions. Punch card machine is electromechanical devices to process digital data. Digital data can be used for data processing applications or used to directly control automated machinery. Dr. Hermann Hollerith developed punch card in 1880 AD. It is also known as tabulating machine. Actually, this is not included in your book, but I have given you this information because we have to know about Dr. Hermann Hollerith. And this is the device which was invented by Dr. Hermann Hollerith. Now we are going to start Harvard Mark I, which is simply known as Mark I. This is very big computer and it is the first electromechanical computer. Mark I was developed by Howard Aiken in 1937. The original concept was presented to IBM by Howard Aiken in November 1937. After a feasibility study by IBM engineers, the company chairman Thomas Watson Sr. personally approved the project and its funding in February 1939. The IBM Automatic Sequence Control Calculator ASCC called Mark I by Harvard University's staff was a general purpose electromechanical computer that was used in the war effort during the last part of World War II. But actually, because of its use size, it was not used widely. Do you know the size? Its size was 50 feet long, 13 feet wide, and 8 feet height. Just imagine the size. Then stage 5, electronic computers. Now from stage 5, fully electronic devices were developed. And some of the devices are Atanasoff Berry computer, ENIAC, EDVAC, EDSAC, and UNIVAC. EDSAC is not given in your book. Now let us read in detail. This is the picture of ABC or Atanasoff Berry computer. Atanasoff Berry computer was the first automatic electronic digital computer. Atanasoff Berry computer was built at Iowa State University in 1947 AD by physicist and mathematician John Vincent Atanasoff with the help of his graduate student Clifford Berry. That's why the name of the computer is Atanasoff Berry computer. The surname of John Vincent and the surname of Clifford, Atanasoff Berry. It was general purpose computer. Data were stored in binary form. Then this is ENIAC. It is also a huge machine. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. And it was the first electronic general purpose digital computer. ENIAC was completed in 1946. It was developed by John Mauchly and Jeppe Eckert. Now, EDVAC. The full form of EDVAC is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, and was one of the earliest electronic computers. Unlike its predecessor, the ENIAC, it was binary rather than decimal and was designed to be a stored program computer. Its inventors were John Mauchly and J.P. Eckert. They proposed design in 1944 and completed in 1945. But the invention date is 1946 as published. Okay, now next one is EDSAC or EDSAC. The full form is Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. Was an early British computer. It was constructed by Maurice Wickles and his team at the University of Cambridge Mathematical Laboratory in England in 1949. EDSAC was the second electronic digital stored program computer to go into the regular service. But this one is not included in your book, so be careful. UNIVAC. This is the picture of UNIVAC. The UNIVAC, its full form is Universal Automatic Computer, was the first general purpose electronic digital computer designed for business application in United States. It was designed principally by J. Prosper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1951. Proposed in 1946. So its date, the invention date is mentioned as 1946 here. Okay, now let us talk about some pioneering contributors in history of computer. They are Charles Babbage, Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace, and Dr. Herman Hollerith. Charles Babbage was born on December 26, 1791 and died at October 18, 1871 in London. He was an English mathematician. He is considered as the father of computer because he was the first person to give idea of computer. He was the first person to give basic concept of input, process, output, and storage. He is inventor of difference engine and analytical engine as well. But he was not able to complete his design due to lack of technological advancement and lack of money at that time. Next one is Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace. She is first programmer and she is the person to write program to operate Charles Babbage's engine. That's why she is known as first computer programmer. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace is daughter of Lord Bryan and was born on 10 December 1815 and died on 27 November 1852. Was an English mathematician. She is regarded as the first computer programmer as she is the first person to write program to operate machine developed by Charles Babbage. And the third one is Dr. Herman Hollerith. He was born at February 29, 1860 and died at November 17, 1929, and he was an American businessman, inventor, and statistician who developed an electromechanical tabulating machine for punched card to assist in summarizing information and later in accounting. Later, he became owner of IBM Company. The full form is International Business Machine. International Business Machine Company. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.